Now, you have a better choice that unlocks a whole new world for Splunk. Introducing S-Box, the first Splunk-powered appliance specifically designed and built for the Splunk Enterprise platform, delivering faster time to value with plug-and-play. S-Box is designed and developed based on our years of field experience deploying and managing Splunk software. S-Box's converged big data computing architecture is highly scalable and extensible. The combination of Splunk and S-Box brings great value add-ons and a refreshing user experience. The all-in-one S-Box appliance can be flexibly configured and deployed to your networks, including these unique features. S-Box helps reduce total cost of ownership of Splunk deployments by more than 30%. Multiple S-Box appliances can be deployed in distributed fashion to meet your Splunk use cases, load, and scalability requirements. S-Box comes with best-in-class processors and RAID configuration for the most demanding workloads with Splunk Enterprise embedded, ready for rapid deployment. With hardened and lightweight OS, your Splunk operation is security worry-free. With an intuitive web GUI, S-Box demonstrates fast installation and convenient management. Simple plug-and-play capability enables Splunk to be activated within minutes. S-Box not only increases operational efficiency, accelerates deployment process, but also effectively reduces the total cost of ownership of any Splunk deployment. Right now, enjoy your Splunk journey with S-Box appliance. Go home early with Splunk? Why not go home really early with S-Box?